Wag 5. Sweet spins! Sweet spins! Let's go! Yon, what is up guys? It's your boy Jeremy. Ngayon, itatry natin laruin itong Sweet Bonanza Candyland. Ito isang live show o live game show dito sa Pragmatic Play. So, bebeta natin ng 1 unit. Ang 1 unit natin is 10 pesos. 1 unit sa kada bonus. 4 units sa 1x, sa 2x, sa 5x. Naka-SIM card lang ako. I hope na maging maganda ang connection natin. Let's go. 4 units sa 1. So, kung titignan natin yung stats, ito maganda, sunod-sunod yung bubble surprise. Tapos may sugar bomb. Ingay ng host na to. Let's go. Candy drop. Lumagpas. So, sa grapes, maglalagay din tayo sa grapes. Huwag naman tayo sa banana. 4 units sa grapes. 1 unit sa kada bonus. Ang gusto lang natin gawin dito is masustain na tumagal tayo sa game. Kasi pag puro bonus lang tayo magtataya, sobrang haba ng streak ng 1 at saka ng 2. Puro 1 at saka 2 lang. Ang tagal nung huling tumama yung bonus. So at least kung tumama man sa 2, mababawi natin yung mga pinuhunan natin. Either 2 at saka 1 tayo maglalagay ng 4 units, then tig 1 unit ulit sa bonus. Candy drop. Wag 5, wag 5. Ay, wala pala akong taya sa 1. So, losing streak na tayo ng 3 times. 3 times losing streak na agad. Kasi mula pa lang natin, losing streak agad. Sweet spin, sweet spin. Okay. Sa 2 na yan. Siyempre, tumama na sa 1. Sa 2 naman yan. Partner, bonus naman. Ay, sayusin mo. Naligo ka ba, pre? Naligo ka ba? Ay, sayusin mo. Bonus. Candy drop. Ah, hindi pwede. Bubble surprise. Pwede, pwede. Bubble surprise. Bubble surprise. Bubble surprise. Bubble surprise. Nice, nice. Wag lang times 5. Pre. Wag lang times 5. Wag lang 5 times. Wag lang times 5. Kahit ano. 25.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Yes! 250. Let's go. Pero hindi pa yung sapat para mabawi natin yung talo pa tayo ng 20 pesos. Sweet spins. Sweet spins. Sweet spins. Ah! Ba't mo nilagpasan? Dos. Let's go. Nawalan pa ng internet connection. My goodness. Ah! Ano ba yan? Uy! Candy drop! Let's go! Let's go. Blue, red, yellow. Blue, red, yellow. 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 Yellow tayo. Yellow! Let's go! Ang ganda. Ay, ang ganda sa may blue. May plus 10. Pero nasa 10 yung times 4. 4 tsaka times 5. Let's go, let's go. Hayaan lang natin yan. Ay, nabokya si blue. Buti hindi tayo nag-blue. Muntik na siya mag-jackpot. Times 4. Times 5. Times... Ay! Candy drop ulit. Candy drop ulit. Candy drop. Yeah! Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yellow. Red. Nag-yellow tayo. Red naman. Pre, ayusin mo, pre. Yeah, let's hear it. Yeah. 14x. Nice. Plus 2. Plus 2. Bang. Plus 2. Times 3. Times 3. Bang. Plus 5. Plus 5. Times 3. Times 3. Yes. Nice. Panalo na tayo ng 100. Let's go. Let's go. Sweet spins naman. Sweet spins naman. Ay, nalagpasan. Bubble surprise. Actually, wala talaga. Okay lang. At least. Buti. Buti, nasa to tayo. Muntik na pre. Bubble surprise. Bubble surprise. Bubble surprise. Huwag ka na dyan. Ay, ay. Danelli, let's go. Yan. Let's go. Medyo matamlay si Danelli ah. Sugar bomb. Nalagpusan. Candy drop. Candy drop. Unang pasok mo, candy drop. Unang pasok mo, candy drop. Nice, Danelli. Nice, Danelli. Nice, Danelli. Red ulit. Hindi, yellow. Ay! Ala, ang lalayo ng multiplier. Buti hindi tayo nag-red. 6x lang. Pero yellow, 2. Ay, walang multiplier. Ang layo. Ay, plus what? Times 3 mo lang. Danelli. Ayos ba, Danelli? Sugar bomb. Sugar bomb. Sugar bomb! Candy drop ulit, Danelli. Candy drop. Sheesh! Sweet spin. Danelli, ayusin mo naman. Yun! Nilakasan! Grabe. Grabe ba? Nagalit. Sweet spins. Yan, no? May chance, oh. Sweet spins. Sweet spins. Huwag ka na mag-1, ha? Sweet spins. Sweet spins. Sweet spins. Sweet spins. Danelli, let's go. Ayusin mo, ha? Ayusin mo. 80x, Danelli. 80x. Yes, have fun. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, 1x. Ah, ang ganda na simula. Sige pa. Multiplier. Jeez. Peach. Ay, lychee yata yun. Nice. Multiplier. Naku, walang multiplier. Agay, wag ka magde-dead spin, Danelli. Danelli, wag ka magde-dead spin. Retrigger. Retrigger. Ah, plums pala yun. Plums. Grabe ba? Nice, nice. Sige pa. Plums. Te-whoop. Grabe ba? Lollipop. 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 Grabe ka, Danelli. Candy drop. Candy drop. Yan! Let's go! Let's go. Let's go, candy drop. Team Blue, 70x. Team Blue, 70x. Ay, no. Nawala pa yung internet connection. Agay, 1 2x plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 times 2. Okay na, 12x. Ah. Sugar bomb. Sugar bomb. Sugar bomb. Yes! Times 4. Times 4? Ay! Bastos, 2x lang. Ah, sa 5 at saka 1 lang tayo matatalo. Candy drop. Candy. Huwag ka na mag-1!
No comment na po ako dyan.
Sugar bomb ulit, ah. Sugar bomb ulit. Yan. Good. Times 4 naman. Grabe ba? 2x lang. Ano ba yan, Danelli? Huwag ka na mag-1, ha? Bubble surprise na lang. 2x. Sweet spins. Danelli. Huwag 5. Sweet spins! Sweet spins! Let's go! Sweet spins, 2x. Gandahan mo yung multiplier, Danelli. Gandahan mo ng multiplier. Gandahan mo yung multiplier, Danelli. Nice! May x, tsaka may 2x. Ah, dami multiplier.
Think about me 4x. Another one with 8x. The last one for this one is 2x. Great. Really good one. Everything else is together.
Plums. Sayang yung heart, oh.
Mom with 8x. Great.
Saging.
Apple.
Blue, blue, blue. Blue.
Sugar bomb with 6x. Only 2 lollipops in here. Come on. Finger crossed. I'm really hoping for 3 lollipops so I can have 5 more spins. No?
Lollipop, lollipop, lollipop. Lollipop, 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 lollipop. Ah, sayang.
Mom with 3x.
Sayang, sayang lollipop.
4 more spins.
Plums. Grapes. Grapes heart.
Great.
Ah!
And red heart shape.
Ah! Let's go!
Bananas.
Let's go 2x, 3x.
Sugar bomb with 3x. Another one with 2x.
Let's go!
Bananas. Apple. Sugar bomb with 8x. Another one with 5x. Very
Nice. Oh, 65x no.
Nice.
Times 2 pa yan.
Grapes. Yellow gummies. No, still plum.
Plums.
Ooh, purple candy. Nice. Thank you. Finally.
Nice.
One more spin. Come on, can we?
One more spin. One more spin.
No.
Nice. Danelli.
We're now 69.7.
10 pesos to 1,404.
Congratulations to all of you.
So, 2 units na. I-doble na natin. 2 units natin. Panalo na tayo ng 900 pesos. About 38 minutes na tayo ngayong naglalaro. Low better lang naman tayo. For fun lang naman kadalasan natin ito ginagawa. 10. So, imaginein. Wow, nag-imagine. Nagbibilang na naman ng itlog na hindi pa napipisa.
That's nice.
10 pesos lang yun.
So like,
10 pesos to 1,404.
is it modern
Boom.
hiking? It used to be. I don't know.
Hindi, 140x nga.
100.
140.4x. Sugar bomb ulit. Times 4. Times 4. Let's go.
Good choice. Good choice.
4-6, 4-6, 4-6, 4-6, 4-6. Ah! Let's go.
4x.
Yes, yes. Ah! Woo! Muntik na. Muntik na. Yeah! Siya na naman. Siya na naman. Tapatan mo ha. Tapatan mo si Danelli. Tapatan mo si Danelli, partner.
Because only was the first time.
Sugar bomb. Sugar bomb.
Yes,
Sugar
that's what I'm
bomb.
talking
6x.
about. Come on, let's
6x.
say you who together because we
Ang
have
tagal mo na
a
nag-spin, ngayon ka lang
sugar
nagka-bonus.
bomb. Yoo-hoo, let me hear it. Three
Bonus,
spins to
pare.
win it. Come on.
Pare,
Some
bonus.
lots here.
Harwin.
Let's say you with me. Let
Harwin.
me hear it.
Yeah, Harwin sweet spins. Harwin sweet spins. Ang layo.
Let's take a look for the winner results right now.
Ang layo. 2.
One yellow is a winning number for this round, part of the banana section with 3x multiplier. That means our final multiplier for this fifth number.
Harwin, grabe ka. So, okay. Nakaka 1 hour na tayo sa aking recording sa paglalaro natin. Last spin, gagawin natin. Ang bonus natin ay 50 and 200 sa 2.
I'm here.
Harwin ha.
Hello. And we have this
Let's go.
here. Hello.
Let's go, Harwin. Bonus lang. Isang magandang bonus lang, Harwin. Bago sa pagtapos.
Let me know.
Bago
Here
mag...
we go.
Ayan!
Best of luck here. Yoo-hoo! And for this near round, our winning number is 5,000.
That's a lot of damage.
Doon na natin i-conclude yung video. Summarize lang natin, no? So, nag-start tayo ng 1,000 and then nag-end tayo sa 1,658.56. Ang strategy natin is 1 unit sa mga bonus and 4 units sa 1 to 5 pero mostly sa 2 tayo naglagay. So, ang pinakamalaking hit natin ay yung nag-sugar bomb ng 2x bubble surprise na naging sweet spins na 69x, 69 point something x na naging 140x na naging 140x. So, yun yung biggest hit natin. And within 1 hour, yung 1,000 natin is naging 1,658. So, itong strategy o itong way natin ng paglalaro is hindi to proven na. So, mas maraming spins at laging tandaan na house always wins. Hindi tayo yung laging mananalo dito. Laging ang bangka ang mananalo dito. Habang tumatagal yung laro, ganun ang mangyayari in the long run. Bet responsibly sa mga may planong magbet, at saka make sure na legal age at saka legal yung sites, legal lahat ng gagawin para walang problema. Hope na nag-enjoy kayo. So that's it. See you guys next time. Peace.